In tunnel shield segment production, automation is the standard for material placement and curing. Yet, surface finishing has long remained a manual bottleneck. It traditionally takes 2 workers to manhandle a heavy 5 kg steel trowel, making consistent quality and high efficiency nearly impossible to sustain. Together with JAKA Zu technology, JAKA Robotics is changing that. Built on the JAKA Zu20, our automated finishing system features an extended 1,780 mm reach. Paired with an integrated sliding rail, it easily handles segments of any size. By leveraging high-precision force control and optimized damping, the robot applies the constant, steady pressure required to compact and smooth concrete during its critical initial set. Efficiency doesn't stop at the finish. The system self-cleans after every cycle, and its agile, low-profile design excels even in tight spaces with restricted overhead. We aren't just automating a process. We're freeing skilled workers for higher-value roles like quality assurance, driving down costs through enhanced efficiency while delivering a new standard of industrial consistency.